Okay, so I just have my respirator mask on, so sorry if it's hard to hear. So I scraped off the rust with this metal brush, and I dug as far as I could into that pipe. It goes farther than I can reach it. And then, as I was telling you, I needed to angle this PVC pipe that connects here and goes down, so the water pressure, the water flows a little bit better. And I use my Ryobi tool. The blade's not the best, but it's perfect for PVC because I didn't want to dull my other blade that I just got. So I'm gonna paint this maple jelly all over the rust, and then it says it needs a cure time of 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll rinse it off. After I've done with that, I'll put on this rust enamel primer, let that dry, put the plumber's putty down below, and then finish it up with this epoxy water weld. Now this you have to put, how do you say it? You have to meld it in your fingers for a while. So one thing at a time. I'm going to paint on this stuff, and I need both hands.